friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make spicy masala fish fry. It's very crispy and tasty fish fry. We need only 15 minutes to make this masala fish fry recipe. Let's move to the video. First we need to dry roast some spices. For that, in a pan take 2 teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, half teaspoon fennel seeds, 5 dry red chillies. Dry roast for a minute on low flame. After 1 minute, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for 10 minutes to get it cooled down. When it's cooled down, transfer into a grinder jar. Grind it without adding water. We have grinded it nicely. Now add 1 teaspoon Kasmiri Chilli Powder, half inch size ginger, 6 garlics, half teaspoon Turmeric Powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, some curry leaves, 1/4 cup of water. Grind it into a paste form like this. Then transfer it into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons corn flour, 2 tablespoons rice flour. Now add 500 grams of cleaned fish cut into pieces like this. You can use any fish to make this masala fish fry recipe. Coat them well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Keep them marinated in a refrigerator for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, we can take the marinated fish for frying. In a pan, take 4 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add marinated fish for frying. Fry until it turns light golden brown color on medium flame. It takes around 4 minutes to get it done. After 4 minutes, flip the sides and fry another 4 minutes on medium flame. After 4 minutes, switch off the flame. Our spicy masala fish fry recipe is ready. You can use any fish to make this masala fish fry. It's very crispy and tasty fish fry. We need only 15 minutes to make this masala fish fry recipe.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.